Hi viewers, you are watching Mr. Tech. In this video, I will show you how to post video in Snack Video. If you are new on our channel, then you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for get our new videos. So let's start. First of all, you have to open the Snack Video. You can see an interface like this. You have to click on plus icon at below. And your gallery will be open. Here you can choose any video which you post on Snack Video. I have chosen this. And click it. Then click on OK. After that, if you want to apply a filter on video, then you have to click on filters. Here are some filters. You can choose anyone. I have to chosen this. And then apply. And then go back and click on next. After that, you can see an interface like this. First of all, you have to describe your post, add hashtag of friends. For example, I have subscribed, hash my followers and hash trending videos. Then click on post. In this way, you can post video on Snack Video. I hope you understand this method. If you don't understand anything, you can ask any question in comment section. I will try my best answer, and keep watching Mr. Tech for more advanced tutorials. Bye.